Okay, to process your transcript application or even some other payments you make into NOUN, you can do that from here. All you need is go to remitter.net. Firstly, once you get there, you will see their search bar. Type National Open University, and of course it's not account number, but it's still a number you can use to make payments. So you type National Open and it will bring up, look at it, National Open University of Nigeria. This is not ASATA. You are paying to National Open University of Nigeria. That's all. Processing transcript application. Pay a biller, and here's our biller. National Open University. What are you paying for? Academic transcript. There are other options. You can check them out yourself later. So if unknown, contact your MDA. Then description of payment. You're paying for this. Speak your English there. Amounts to be paid. If you're outside Nigeria, type 30,000. If you're not, you go with 15. That's all. Your email, you enter your email twice, here and here. Check this and submit. So when you submit, it will generate, firstly, to generate the remitter number. You can use the remitter number to make your payment at the bank, or even continue to pay here with your MasterCard or Visa card. So once you've completed the payment, you then move to the main portal, any of the websites, and complete your submissions. You can do it at school. If you already have the form, you can take the form. You can go to the nouonline.net and watch. Let's continue. Let's go there. So let's see. There are two ways you can submit your transcript application. Your results are usually sent between schools. From the school you are coming from to the school you are going to. That's how transcripts are processed. So you make the application is 15,000 currently if you are within the country, if you are within Nigeria. But if you are outside Nigeria, it's 30,000. That's if your school is outside Nigeria and you are transferring from there, you are moving your assessment records from that school to National Open University, is 30,000, or you are moving out from National Open University to that school. Then that way, if it's within Nigeria, you are moving from National Open University to another school, that way, So you go to admissions too. That's the where you find a link. Here in this portal, there's no transcript application for undergraduate students. Let's go to undergraduates. You can see there's no transcript form here. But before you come here, make sure you have paid your 15,000 or 30,000, depending on your location and where it's going. For postgraduate studies, you go to postgraduates and you will see transcript request form. So now you will have to add the remitter number of the 15,000 you paid at the bank for the purpose. No hyphen, just the remitter, just the number, the 12-digit numbers. That's all. That's all. Then you add it, you submit it to generate the PDF form and you fill the form, you print it, fill it, and take it to your study center. Now this is offline processing, literally offline processing. What it does is just that it gave you the form. Okay, now if you were to submit it online, you go to this other portal. Look at that, NOU, then undergraduate transcript application. This one has both undergraduates and postgraduate forms. and you can submit them online. You fill the forms here and submit. That's it. Fill the forms and that's all. You attach the required receipts. This one, the remitter receipt, the bank teller, notification of results, birth certificates, and other requirements. You upload them, type this captcha here, and submit. The captcha code is just used for verification that you're a human being. So that's it. This for undergraduate. Then for postgraduates, here's the form. It's literally going to be the same thing that you will be downloading as PDF here. You submit it here, fill the form again here, and submit. That's all. That's all about transcript application. It's very easy.